Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 12FS and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. Before we'll start, a quick disclaimer: I highly recommend to click in the link which is in the description box, because you will be transferred to our website where you can check all of the codes I'll present you today and some additional information about them, but also much more tutorials regarding this device. Alright, so let's start with opening the dialer, as it is the place where we can enter all of those codes, and let's start with the shortest one, which is *#06#. And as you can see, thanks to this code we are provided with both the main numbers of this device. Let's tap on OK, and let me show you another code which is pretty similar. It is *#07#. And thanks to this code we can check the maximum SAR level, so we can check the head and the body of our device. Let's tap on OK, and let me show you another code which should open the phone software information. It is *#6776#. And here we've got the software version, so the technical info about our device. Android version, we can check here master date, version, brand version, or build time. Let's go back, and another code which will open the hardware revision. It is *#888#. And here we've got the hardware revision, so we can check the PCB number here, and we can also scan this QR code and check more information. Let's go back and let me show you another code which will open the feedback menu. It is *800#. And basically this feedback menu allows you to basically feedback any kind of problems you'll meet with your device. So for example, if you've got some problems with display and the touch screen, you can choose what kind of problems you've got. So for example, with the brightness, with the picture, or with the tapping or swiping error, etc. You can simply tap on the option. And then I highly recommend to tap on always allow, so your device you will be able to record the problem you meet and then report it to the developer. So that's really nice, and I highly recommend to have it in mind that you can actually report some issues with your device. Alright, so another code which will open the calendar information. It is *##225#*##. And here we've got the calendar info. I do not have my Google account added to the device. That's why I do not have more events. However, basically here you will have some family events, some holidays in your country should also be right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best place to check the events, because here they are simply grouped into specific sections. And the last code which should open the diagnostic information, which is also provided by Google. It is *#426#*##. And there we've got the diagnostics, so we can check the server, host, port, time connected, and assign a level. We can also tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon, we can show advanced view. Just tap on this option and tap on the status, and here we've got much more information. So for example, the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.